Subject concrete structures, chapter design of slabs, topic numerical number 2 on two-way slabs. So students, now in this lecture, I will be solving numerical number 2 on two-way slabs, right? So what does the numerical say? The numerical says that the corner reinforcement, right? The corner reinforcement in a two-way slab, so it is given to you, it is a two-way slab. In a two-way slab, corners held down would be, take M15, Fe415 and the effective depth as 90 mm. Now students, in this question nothing is given to you. Neither Lx is given to you, neither Ly is given to you, neither alpha x is given to you, neither alpha y, nothing is given to you. So when such type of questions come, I told you that the slabs, they are actually designed as a singly reinforced beams, right? So if for this example, if nothing is given to you, then what you have to do, just design the slabs as a singly reinforced beam if nothing is given to you, right? So what would we do is that, first of all, let me calculate, because I know that the corner reinforcement is actually equal to 0.75 times the ASTX, right? What is ASTX? The area of steel which we get from the movement in x direction, right? This is 0.75. If I would have told you about 0.75%, just delete the percent part. It is actually 0.75 times of this, right? Or you can say that 75% of AST. 75% of ASTX. Clear? Now, this is the corner reinforcement. So, if I somehow calculate ASTX, the corner reinforcement will be known to me. The purpose of taking this question for you, to make you understand how to use the codal provisions. Clear? Now, we know that the slabs can be designed as a singly reinforced sections. So in a singly reinforced section, if it is a balanced section, I can say that 0.87 Fy into AST is equals to 0.36 FCK into XU. Into B, right? This is C is equals to TC, and this is your Newton per meter, T, right? Correct formula, right? So even if I get formula, I just compare the units, I get the answer, right? So don't need to remember the formula, just compare the units, get the answer. The question is, how do you come to know that this formula has to be applied even if it is a two-way slab? My answer would be, it is just by practice. If you do a lot of practice, then just by reading the numerical, you will understand what formula to be applied in the numerical, because what data is given to me. Here, M15 is given to me, Fe415, and the effective depth is given to me, and nothing else is given to me. So if such type of numericals are there, apply the singly reinforced section formula, right? From here, I can get the value of AST, clear? So the AST, it will be equal to 0.36, how much is FCK? M15 into XU, how much is XU, right? Now for a Fe415, that is 0.48 D. Is it D given to me? Yes, D is also given to me. Simple. 0.48 into D. D is how much? 90 mm. Clear? So the answer will come out to be in mm square. Okay, 90 mm into B. How much is B? Is B given to me? B is not given to me. I told you that whenever you are designing a slab, what you have to do, you have to take a unit width, especially 1 meter width, right? 1 meter strip you have to take. If you are taking 1 meter width of a strip, then the B will be 1000, simple, divided by 0.87 into Fy. Fy is how much? 415 into 415, right? So this confusion happens sometimes. That's why B is not given to. I told you that whenever you are designing a slab, what we do is that we take a unit width or unit strip, 1 meter strip, right? And for that we design the sections, right? So if B is not given to you, take it as a 1 meter strip, right? So let me calculate how much it is coming. AST is coming out to be 0.36 into 15 into 0.48 into 90 into 1000 divided by 0.87 divided by 415. It comes out to be 646.11 mm square. I hope everybody got the answer. It comes out to be 646.11 mm square. Now it is just a cakewalk. What we have to do? We have to determine the corner reinforcement, and I told you that if the corners held down means it is a restrained slab, then the torsional reinforcement has to be provided at the corners, which is 75% of the total reinforcement, right? Total reinforcement is this much. How much will be 75%? Multiplied with 0.75 into 0.75, I am getting is 484.5. So the answer which I am getting is A, you can say ASTX for corner is 0.75 of 646.11, 646.11, which I am getting as 484.5, 484.5 mm square. So answer comes out to be 484.5 mm square. So which one is the right answer? The B is the correct answer. So I hope that you have understood how to determine the corner reinforcement, the torsional reinforcement also, right? Okay. Now let's move forward to the next video. In the next lecture, I will be solving some previous year GATE numericals, right? But as I have told you that from the slab topic, only a few numericals have been asked in GATE examination. Let us solve those numericals and let us see what those numericals are all about. So thank you.